on this computer.
रेकॉर्ड
वाव.
झालं.
सुरू झालं. ये.
आता एडिट करायला लागेल. आता सबरीला एडिट करायला लागतं.
Hello everyone. Today I will be presenting our case study based on electric scooter company. The main focus here is improving mobile app experience for user. So for here, first question is I have to explain top 10 features and 5 most useful ones. So first feature is battery monitoring for real-time battery level range. Second is route navigation, built-in GPS and traffic awareness direction. Third is SOS button for quick emergency alert. Fourth is service reminders, auto notification for maintenance. Fifth is OTA, over-the-air updates, enables remote firmware and app updates. Sixth is profile management, store user personal data, ride preferences, etc. Seventh is document storage, keep license, RC, etc. Third is ride statistics, tracks usage, speed, distance, and even calories burned. Ninth is nearby charging stations, helps to locate station. 10th is geofencing, alerts if scooter exists a preset location zone. And the most five main features are battery monitoring, which is essential as battery life directly affects ride planning. Second is route navigation, offers smart assistance. Third is SOS button, is must for rider safety. Fourth is service reminder, ensure the scooter remains in condition. And fifth is OTA updates that keep software fresh and bug free. Now moving on to the second question, I have to discuss about inside out and outside in product releasing plan. First, I will be discussing inside out planning. This approach focus on the company needs to internally prepare for the release. So here first we define the core app features. Second, then we build a strong technical foundation ensuring app is secure and scalable. Third is we conduct internal beta testing to eliminate major bugs. Fourth, we train the customer support team. And lastly, we create detailed documentation for developer and support. Now discussing about outside in planning. This is about looking at the product from customer's point of view. First, we start by gathering real user feedback. Then we analyze competitors to see where we stand out. Third, we launch marketing campaigns to build excitement and visibility. Fourth, a soft launch is done for a small audience to gain early feedback. And fifth, and finally, we work on App Store optimizing so user can easily find and download the app. Thank you. Now I will be handing over to Piyush.
Hello all. So I will be explaining you the third question. So basically, at the third question, the company wants to enhance the electric scooter by app by making it more intelligent, capable, and providing real-time recommendations to the rider. This involves collecting data from vehicle and using technologies like machine learning and artificial intelligence for analysis. So there are some key points. Let's move to the key points. Data to be collected. At first, battery charging habits, then their braking patterns, riding speed depending on terrains, and the location availability for the charging stations. Then second is type of recommendations. Charge at 3 a.m. for lower electric rates. Your brake needs a checkup based on recent usage. Third is use of ML and AI for possible applications. Predict maintenance to avoid sudden breakdowns. Smart route suggestions based on the route conditions and battery. Optimizing charging times for the cost and the battery health. So let's move to the fourth question. Next slide. So our next question simply is about product solution for the new vehicle version. At first, this question is focusing on the reimagining of the next version of the electric scooter using product solution techniques. It involves defining clear goals, adding valuable features, and improving the user interface and the user UX to better meet market needs. So there are some key points. Let's come to the key points. First, see their main goals: increasing overall sales by 60%, then improve profit margin by 10%, then propose features. So new smarter digital dashboard, and then fast charging in 4 hours, lightweight frame for the better efficiency. Then there is UX, so user experience improvements. Simple, one click, easy to access, smoother, and more intuitive navigation. At last, there is a UI. So basically, user interface. So it must be bold, easy to read fonts, minimal colors, palettes for the distraction for free riding, and at last, clearly visible SOS button for the emergency. So I would like to call Sujal to explain further.
So, coming to the next question, that is fifth question. The question says, what can be the business and operational metrics for the new vehicle and the goals for it? We look at two types of metrics. First one is business metrics, where it includes sales growth. Our sales are actually going up. Next is profit margin, like how much money we make per vehicle. Next is market rank, and then there is revenue. So let's take a look at operational metrics. First is delivery time, how fast we deliver. Second is defects in the first month. Then there is app crash rate, and then there is battery health performance. So coming to the next question, that is sixth question. The question says, what can be a very user-friendly design of the tablet? Next slide, please. So the question says, what can be a very user-friendly design of the tablet dashboard UI in the vehicle? This is simple screen in the vehicle tablet. By default, it shows big speed number in the center, and then there is battery percent below it. And there are some simple touch action buttons where uh, on swiping left there is a music control, on swiping right there is navigation map, on swiping up there is ride stats, on swiping down there is quick settings, and on long press there is emergency SOS. It's clean, easy, and quick to use. For the next question, I would like to invite Saburi.
Now that we have finalized our features and testing components, the next step is to understand which elements are most crucial for our users. This helps us build an efficient user-focused system without overcomplicating the design. In this slide, we have selected the top 10 features of our app and prioritized them based on their importance. We divided them into two levels, P1 features and P2 features. P1 features are the high priority features. These are absolutely essential for the user experience and safety. For example, battery alerts, remote lock, maps, and notifications. P2 features secondary priority. These add values, but are not critical to core functionality. For example, profile settings, document storage, and OTA updates. This kind of a prioritization helped us focus on delivering the most important features first, making the app more reliable and user-friendly. This slide explains how we plan and prioritize testing scenarios for our battery system. We use the mind map to visualize different battery-related functions and categorize them into P1 top priority test, P2 medium priority, P3 lower priority. In P1, this include tests like battery capacity, charging time, and extreme temperature response. They directly impact user safety and performance. P2 medium priority. This includes in conditions like discharge patterns or drain rates, which affect long term. In P3, these are extreme cases such as short circuit tests or vibration endurance, useful for quality assurance. This prioritization ensures we focus our testing efforts on the most realistic and risky scenarios first, creating a safer and more robust system. Thank you.